Hi everyone, today we're going to make white bean soup. This is a really easy recipe and it's made probably with things that you have on hand. At least I know I always have cans of beans around the house. And sometimes they get pushed way to the back of the cupboard. I don't even realize how many beans I have in the house. So take a look in your cupboard, see if you have any beans, maybe a little broth, some herbs and some garlic, and I'm going to show you how to make this soup. It's delicious. I have 2 cans of cannellini beans. These are 2 19-ounce cans. We're going to put one of these in the food processor and use one of them whole. We're going to drain them both. And for the other ingredients, we're going to use 4 cloves of garlic. I have some rosemary from the garden. I'm going to cut that up very fine. I have a red chili pepper here. I'm probably only going to use about 1 inch of it with the seeds removed. I have some fresh thyme. And in here I have some black pepper, some red pepper, and some salt. And we're going to use some broth, and that's all you really need. In the food processor, I have 1 can of those beans that I've rinsed and drained, a little piece of the chili pepper, and 4 of the garlic cloves, and I'm going to blitz this together to make a paste. In a large stock pot, I've added some extra virgin olive oil, and now I'm going to put in that bean paste and just warm it up a little bit before we add the next ingredients. I chopped up the rosemary and pulled off the leaves of the thyme and put them in with the other spices, and that's all going into the pot. Now don't cook this until it fries. We're just warming it up a little bit to wake up the flavors of the garlic and the red pepper. And now we're going to add 3 cups of broth. I'm using vegetable, but you can use chicken. That's 1. The beans are going to act as a thickener. Now we're adding the 2nd can of beans that we did not grind up. And all of those beautiful herbs and spices. We'll stir that together. Now I'm only making this for 3 people, so that's why there's not a lot of this. But if you're making it for more, just double the recipe. So stir this all together, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat and simmer it for about 15 minutes, and you have soup on the table. Well, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. It comes out so tasty and it's really easy to make, so I hope you try it for yourself. Thank you for joining me today. Please share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!